Richmond has just been grown overnight, so I thought it would be an appropriate time to bring back my apartment series, so come along with me. Today we are at the Commodore in Manchester, Richmond, and this community has apartments starting at $14.95. The amenities at this property are very nice. They offer a gym and yoga room with updated equipment, a pool with a nice lounge area, and on the rooftop they have a sky lounge and a sky deck with beautiful views. And at the end of my tour, you're going to see that they also have a cleaning station and pet lounge and an outside community area where the dogs are also welcome. And inside of the unit, the property has modern light fixtures and updated stainless steel appliances, stackable washers and dryers, and huge balconies and decks, which I loved. They do have a parking garage attached to the building, and keep in mind that everything is not included at this property, but overall I love the tour. For me, the square footage is just not enough, so I'm going to keep looking. But if you're interested, check them out. The leasing agents were super nice. If you're looking for apartments in Richmond, subscribe to my content for more in-depth tours and details. Follow me on here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on TikTok, and I will see you guys later.